When mosquitoes are eating you alive, you need a remedy that really works. And the last thing we really want to do is spray toxic chemicals all over the yard where your children, your pets, and yourself play and live. And so what you need is a remedy that's really effective but isn't harmful to everyone else that lives there. So one of the things I saw online sounded a little iffy, but I decided to try it anyway. And I'm happy to say that so far it's worked. And I'm eager to hear from some of you to see if it works for you. According to what I heard online, all you have to do is mix one big bottle of blue mouthwash. It wasn't specific, so I went with the off-brand of Listerine. Then you mix in 2 cups of Epsom salt, and what I read, it said stale beer. So what I did is I went and got the cheapest beer I could find, and I put 4 cans of beer in with the mixture. Then you mix it up and spray it wherever you're hanging out, on your back porch, near your pool, near your plants, near your back doors, near your front doors, and then it's supposed to be good for up to 3 months. Well, it's been 1 week and I saw a dramatic reduction in mosquitoes, but I'm eager to see if this works for you. So if you try this out at home, be sure to put in the comments below whether or not you saw a reduction in mosquitoes. So be sure to stop using toxic chemicals to get rid of those mosquitoes and try out those weird alternatives you see online, and then let others know if it works or not. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.